Good morning everyone, my name is Jene and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today's video we're going to be doing a full post review on this beautiful painting you see in front of you. This is a Long Island Iced Tea and it comes from the Diamond Art Club. This is a 47 by 60 full square drill and it has 26 colors and one AB accent. Now I did swap out one of the colors with AB crystal drills. And I will bring the camera down off the tripod to show you all these fabulous drills in a few minutes. But before we do that, we're going to go over the pros and cons of this painting. So I only have one con on this painting, and that is color 3371. And just as I had with Raspberry Daiquiri, I had the same issue with this one, and that is that there was quite a few nubs in that particular color. Now, Diamond Art Club always provides extra drills, which makes it easy for you to be able to complete your painting without having to use the drills that have nubs on them. That is one thing I do really appreciate about the Diamond Art Club is they do always provide extra drills just in case, and you never know. There are going to be times where you're going to run into that particular problem. So let's go into the pros for this painting. So the first thing I wanted to bring up is their beautiful canvas. They have a very nice canvas. It's very pliable and easy to work with. Beveled edge all the way around, which helps keep the canvas from fraying. Then you have this fabulous drill field. Now, they use the poured glue method, but I have to say the clarity of their drill field, the mapping of their paintings is phenomenal. Easy to follow, easy to read. So that is one thing I do love about the Diamond Art Club is the clarity of their drill field, the schematics, and their symbols, and how easy it is to follow. Now, another thing I wanted to bring up too is the drills. The drills were really nice, other than, like I said, 3371 had some issues, but the remaining drills were very nice and easy to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera for just a second for you, but maybe a minute for me, and we're going to bring you down closer to this canvas so that you can take a look at the drills and these beautiful AB crystals. We'll be right back. All right, everyone, we are back and let's take a look at these drills. Now, this painting has a ton of sparkle, so I'm just going to move this so that you can see that sparkle. Look at that. It has just got tons and tons of sparkle. Now, I'm just going to show you some of the AB drills, which is right through here, and pretty much lining up all the way up here. Then we've got some, just going to move you this way. Those crystals are through here as well and all the way up. So I find that these special AB crystals really help enhance not only the painting in general, but it also enhances those AB drills that are pretty much right next door to them. So it really grabs that fluorescent color that the AB drills have. So just really beautiful. Now, these special drills pick up on the color throughout the entire painting. So depending on how you're looking at the painting will determine what colors these will look. So currently right now, if you're looking at them, some of them, like in the tequila lettering, are picking up the orange and yellows. Whereas if you look at these, they're kind of more of a purplish pink color. So again, it all depends on how you're looking at those drills. Now, as I said, this painting has tons of sparkle and just love the way it turned out. So everyone, I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera. We're going to put you back on the tripod and we're going to take one last look at this gorgeous painting and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, we're back. And again, this is the Diamond Art Club's Long Island Iced Tea. It's a 47 by 60 full square drill with one AB accent. It has 26 colors. Now, I purchased this on April 11th. I received it on April 26th. And I started working on this painting on May 1st and completed it on May 10th. Now there is a lot of color blocking in this painting, tons of it. So if you're big on color blocking, this is the painting for you. But it does have some confetti through here. So I would say it's reasonable confetti. It's not very much. But all in all, tons of color blocking. So if you like color blocking, this is a perfect painting for you. Okay, everyone, so by saying that, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell is going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye for now.